Hi guys, today I'm gonna sing Set Fire to the Rain by Adele. Here we go. Let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over you, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak. Stand in your heart without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that you never knew. All the things you'd say that were never true. On the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned and I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes. When you're here forever, you and me together, nothing is better. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say that were never true. On the games you played, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames. Well, it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up at the door. That heart you caught must be waiting for. Even now when you're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned when I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name.